Oh snap! Get it!
Good.
Morning. What's going on, fellas? City of Dallas, Texas.
Morning. Nice fun to meet you.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. All right, guys. Here in the beautiful city, Dallas, Texas. Back in the truck, fellas. It is pouring.
Just in time.
Just in time.
Yeah.
Before we got this rain. All right, guys. We'll see you in a bit. Check. Mic check.
Beef is a butthead or something, you know, man. Flip flop here.
All right, let's go pick up the sod and install this sod. Guys, let's go ahead and load up all this sod, buddy. All right, let's see how many you can carry.
Huh?
See how much you can carry. I got two. Let's see. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Órale.
The whole trailer there.
Oh, man. Yeah, what's up, man? What's up?
Cancer? All right.
You got it.
Let's see.
Come on. Everybody see, look at you.
It's gonna go on YouTube.
Look you out too. Come on.
Oh, man.
You got it.
And what about you, Mark? You're like, oh, hell
Come
no.
on, man.
No, I ain't had enough
coffee.
Don't kill my back. I'm older than you.
What's your name, bro?
Pedro.
Pedro.
That's my name, Pedro.
All right, Pedro.
What's your name?
Gino.
Okay,
You
good
know-
to meet you, sir. What's your name, sir?
Mark.
Pedro. I'm Pedro. Good to meet you, Mark. Have a good day.
Now we gotta get this whole shit.
Oh, shit.
Just put the whole pallet on.
Shit. Oh, my goodness. Come on.
Hey, man, can I drive it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Boy said I could drive this machine, guys. You think I should go ahead and take it for a spin?
Don't let him drive it. Don't let him drive it.
All right, sir.
All right, you got it?
You know why? Because he will wreck it.
All right, you got it. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Homeboy lied. He said I could drive his machine, and he takes off on it. Oh, well, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, we went ahead and got the sod. We got St. Augustine. We got the guys prepping the ground. We got, one of my buddies had a tiller. It's a steel little tiller. I'm gonna show you real quick. And that's what we're using to prep the ground. And we're gonna do a little grade, and start installing the St. Augustine. Let's get out of here. And let's go check them out over here. All right, guys, hopefully you guys can hear me over the motor of the tiller there, but we're only doing half of the yard. Now, this is just a real quick fix, but of course, we're not gonna cut corners. We're doing it right. The owner, let me walk over here, guys. The owner was getting notes and complaints from the HOA guys. So she was like, because it was all bare, no grass or anything there, so they tell her to fix it, or I guess, do they get a fine or something? I'm not sure if they get a fine or what happens with the HOA stuff. But it was kind of like an emergency type of thing. It's about close to 250 square feet, about 95 squares of St. Augustine we're gonna lay down. So we got the guys right now prepping the ground, as you can see behind me. Then we're gonna fertilize, and then we're gonna start laying down the squares or the sod. This is the tiller we're using. It's a Steel MM56C. My buddy came over and let us use this, so we're trying it out. I guess so far, baby's been using it. What do you think about the tiller? Is it okay, or what do you think?
Oh yeah, I mean, that's my first time ever using one, and I mean, I'm doing it, it's working.
You're doing. I mean, it looks great, man. I mean, I think it does. It's doing the job. So I may purchase something like this, because this is gonna be, it's big enough, I guess, for an area like this, and of course, it's big enough for flower beds as well. But I don't know if we'd do a whole. Yeah, we may. I don't know. No. What do you think, Mark?
You ain't doing a whole side job on a big yard with that.
Oh, okay.
No way.
Mark got the point there.
Just saying. You want to
Definitely
make money? You don't want to spend all your profit and labor? Get a bigger tiller.
got a point there.
It already had more tilled up.
Okay, yeah, that's true. So this is good for like small little areas, like maybe 200 square feet or less. We're doing something, maybe let's just say across, let's say we're doing this and we're doing something that big. Of course, we'll need a bigger tiller, but I think for something like this, small, it's perfect. I think it's perfect, guys. I mean, you see, we're already tilling the ground.
Working with the beast.
Doing a quick chicken feed. I didn't bring my broadcast spreader, my hand spreader, so we're gonna just do it all by hand and dice it out there. You got to check them out. Let's check out Mark chicken feeding the ground. Now we're gonna go ahead and start laying down the sod. St. Augustine. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, guys, we changed it up. We moved the first ones that baby was laying, and we're gonna start from over here. As you can see right behind me, let's go ahead and get closer to it. right, guys, we did a lot over here. We're not done. We're gonna go to our home away from home, which is a gas station that we always hit up when we're in this part of the area. But I'm gonna give you just a quick view, guys. We still got to do some cleanup, a little bit more detailing and cutting. But for the most part, I think we laid it pretty good. Oh, I got to go to Home Depot or either Lowe's and get about 8 more squares. I think over at the other place, they skimped out on the squares because I had gotten 90 pieces and it was way under 90 pieces. But you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to go to Lowe's, get 8 or 10 more pieces, and we'll be done. I think the guys are they're ready for a restroom break and a drink break. So let's go get a cold drink. All right, we went to Home Depot. We went to go look at the St. Augustine, and it was burnt, dude. It was bad. It was yellow. It was crusty. So we're just gonna wait till, because I didn't want to drive all the way to Mesquite just for 8 pieces of sod, and then have to drive way back here and then install it there. So we're gonna be out here Tuesday. I told the customer we'll be back when we come back to mow. We'll just fill that area there with about 8 pieces of sod, and she said it was okay. So what we're doing, the guys already blew the sidewalk, and all we're gonna do is, what are we gonna do next? Oh yeah, we gotta soak the grass, put some fertilizer down.
That's it. Clean up the sidewalk.
That's it. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and get the water hose, and y'all guys probably don't want to see us watering the grass. That's gonna be kind of boring. But that's it. Piece of cake. We're gonna water the grass. We're gonna get out of here, and we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. We're gonna have a 3-day weekend, 4th of July weekend. You guys have a safe Independence Day, 4th of July weekend. I know we are. Jog barbecue, save me a piece, save me some. We're gonna get out of here. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you on the next video. Yeah, buddy. Boom.
Say, man, I was spraying.
Yeah. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Get it, Kino.